Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 3rd of November and we are in New York session over here. Hey Dagby, good afternoon. What's happening over here is that yesterday I marked a level over here in GBP JPY. So this was the level, but market didn't broke above that level. So now today the market has finally made a move, but the current 15-minute candle went straight up by crossing above this zone and above these wicks over here, but it didn't go to 10 pips yet. So I think, but yes, it can easily go up to 10 pips easily. So the thing is, this candle is about to close over here in 15 or 10 seconds. So the range is not there for the next trade. So now two things can happen. Number one is that it can go up, create a high, and move back down and then move up. So that will be our trade. Okay, so this candle just closed over here. Or the second thing is that the current 30-minute candle, the new 30-minute candle over here, if that closes above 155.436, that will be the point I can take another trade. But I need a candle to close above this area, because above that area there is a 16 pips of range, and above this area we have around let me just check, 13-14 pips of range, and the best range will be above this area. Yeah. So let's see how market will be moving, because we cannot take a trade if this candle breaks above the high of the previous candle. The range is not there. On there's only 7 pips of range. Let's see. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is New York open over here. Let's see if the market move up or down or do nothing. So let's go to 30 minutes over here, and in 30 minutes, yeah, in 30 minutes we have a low volume area approaching over here. That area is almost 6 pips away. So I think the market can reach up to the low volume area, and it will reject that area and finally come down, because today market has just moved into sideways direction and it didn't move anywhere else. So we can expect yeah, so over here we can expect, if the market rejects this area and come back to this level, below this level, we can expect the market to move further down. Okay, so finally GBP JPY is making its move over here. So it just broke the channel, and I think it will be continue moving down. So let's see where these levels are coming from. Okay, let's just remove this level. We don't need this one. No, don't need this one. Okay. So this is a strong level over here. Let me just stretch this level out. Ah, come on. Okay. Okay, so this is a strong level over here, and the market has created a low as well. So this is a retracement going on, and yeah. So this is the level over here. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. And then we have this problematic area. Cells, I can say, cells are not so good in GBP JPY, but yeah, maybe we can try taking trade over here. There are huge amount of rejection wicks. Range is not enough. Only 11 pips. I think in 1 hour we can try taking this trade. If it comes, if a volume, if a candle breaks and close below this area. So we have this clean range. Hey PS Gaur, how are you? Okay, we will see where we can take the trade. Yeah, the market has come over here inside this narrow range. So that's why it's just consolidating, but soon the consolidation will be ending as the market will be breaking down and start to move down to this level over here. So that this is around 160 pips of range the market can cover up. Yeah, so this is another 4 hour. Yeah, this is not a good range. So if the market crosses above this trend line and closes above this trend line, then the trend can change to buys. If the market stays below this trend line, then it will finally reject this area and come back down. So the same thing we are expecting over here also. This is 30 minutes. Okay, this is weekly. So this is daily. Okay, so the yesterday daily candle was a bearish candle, and it closed like with the rejection wick. That means the selling pressure is not there in the market much. So I think today daily candle might be a retracement candle, and the tomorrow's daily candle will be a breaking down candle. Let's see. Now we just have to wait. There is a ADP non-farm payroll news in 9 minutes. I'm afraid of that missing any trade. Let's check the news. Let's see how this news will be impacting the market after at 7:15 there will be PMI. After okay. After that we have PMI again at 7:30. Let's see. Okay, so it's finally moving up. Hmm. Let's see how this candle will be going. Oh, look at the move. The news just came in, and news came in better. Hmm. Hmm. So look here, the GBP is now rejecting this price level. Hello guys, good morning. Hey George, good morning, buddy. Uh, Good afternoon, Brandon. Yeah, everyone is great. How about you? Hey Nichil, how are you? Dagby is saying very good number for unexpected 571. Okay, yeah, that's true. So USD is better, and let's see how that will be impacting on GBP JPY. So the thing is, 1 hour candle is having 43 minutes left to close. So now I need to wait 13 more minutes. I want this candle to close above this area so that I can take the trade in the next candle. Otherwise, if this candle will be closing below this area, then I won't be taking any trade on the next candle, because the thing is there's no range for the next candle to move up. So it can move up to at least 7 pips, and then it can reject the market. So I don't think that. And plus the thing is, uh, there is a problem over here, and market has approached a low volume area. So to continue moving up, it has to cross above and close above this low volume area. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, George, I'm just waiting for a perfect timing to enter a trade. Because it is, you know, we need to wait more then we get an opportunity. Opportunities are less, waiting is more. Okay, 9 minutes left here. Candle is moving up. Let's have a look at the 15 minutes. 15 minutes is not good, so we will be sticking up to 30 minutes only. Let's see. One hour candle is having 38 minutes to close. Let's wait for 8 minutes. Let's wait. So even though after 8 minutes, before 8 minutes, if this candle went straight up, then it's okay. It's absolutely fine. But do not get trapped with these kind of candles, because this might attract traders to put the buy trades, and in the last few seconds or minutes it will flip back down, and the next candle might just reject this area to move all the way down, because this cannot be seen, or this cannot be recognized just to see the setup over here. This can only be seen by two ways. You should be having experience of the market, number one, and number two is you should have this kind of, something, a tool like this, which will show you where the low volume things are, and where the market can possibly reject. EuroCAD is also moving to the downside. Can you look at it? Sure. Let's have a look at the EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD is moving downside. Oh, it's moving fast. There is no range in EuroCAD. Good sells will be below this area only. Let's have a look at the range over here. The range is not good. Not good. So in EuroCAD the range is not good, and yeah, this is the only clean area we can trade. Plus in that area also we need to be very careful about this area and this wick rejection. After that the market can move down to this level easily. So what does EuroCAD did today? Let's check. Okay, so it's just sideways movement in EuroCAD happening since yesterday. Yesterday was sorry. So here I think today we can expect a movement in EuroCAD. Yeah, and that will be a good movement. At the same spot at this point, yes, we have a high trading area at this point. This is that area, and this is the same area over here. So that will be a really heavy rejection zone. So if the market comes down to this area and then rejects this area, then we need to be very careful if we are in that trade. That means we will enter a trade below this zone, but if the market comes down to this wick and rejects and go back to break even, then I'm gonna close everything at that point. The only reason is that's a really heavy zone over here. So that can also act as a liquidity grab zone for this market. It can move down, tap this area and rejects, and then go all the way up. Also, let's have a look at EuroCAD, bigger time frames in EuroCAD. So yesterday candle was a rejection bullish candle. Monthly candle is just moving up right now. Weekly is also moving up. Okay, this is 4 hour. Okay, let's do one thing over here. Yeah, it's still okay. Again, look at this wick, this 4 hour wick. This is a heavy rejection wick. This is also known as a liquidity grab, you can say. This is 1 hour. So EuroCAD is moving inside a triangle. It can break above it or below it. So look at this. This candle went all the way down, tested this lower trend line. Now rejection is there. It can move again up to this level maybe, and so we just need to wait for the market to break up or break down. 4 hour is just dead. Nothing in 4 hour. So look at this. 30-minute candle is closing in 2 minutes. Let's see where it will be closing.